Thank you for buying this 102715 pipe from Fixture Displays. It comes with a nice box, a pouch, a metal tool, the pipe itself, a holder, and a cleaning bump and metal wire mesh, cleaning sticks, filters, and there are 10 of those, and two mouthpieces. And a portable holder, foldable holder. The pipe itself, we have this metal mesh that increase ventilation to help the burn, and it comes apart to allow you to insert the filter, not here. When I'll take it out, I'll show you. It should go into the small end like that, and then insert into the pipe. The mouthpiece is a soft silicone piece you can plug in like that, and you can bite into it without fearing damaging the pipe itself. This is the cleaning stick, and over time you may want to clean off the tar built up. The metal tool comes with 3 pieces, allow you to fill or clean. If you have any questions, email us cs@fixturedisplays.com. If you like this video, please consider subscribe, and remember, leave a good seller feedback along with the product review. This little bumper comes with adhesive tape on one end. You can stick onto a cleaning tray, a serving tray, to allow you to clean off the residue of tobacco by bumping into it. The pipe is 5 inches long from end to end. It weighs about 6 ounces. The diameter outside is 1.25 inches. The inside diameter is 3/4 of an inch. I want to thank you once again for shopping Fixture Displays. While you're on our site, please feel free to browse many other products and services we offer. Thank you once again.